Hey YouTubers, this is my cold start, I guess wet start also, because last night it rained all night. This is my Cub Cadet, Kawasaki engine. Cub Cadet lawnmower. I'm going to cold start it this morning for you. Had a few people come to me and say, well, hey, why not cold start? So, I'm going to. I'm sick the last few days, so these haven't been touched for 3 or 4 days on my lawnmowers, so figured out when you prime this 3 times, you're flooding the engine. All you have to do is push this once. It usually starts right up. That is actually how I shut this engine off, because when I received this, it didn't have the kill switch, the cord that runs all the way down there to have that engage, like this one. This one just disengages it. It runs all the way down to the engine, shuts it off. This one didn't come with it. It does come with it, but this one didn't, because I picked it up for an awesome trade. So, see you later, YouTubers. Hope you enjoyed my cold start. Got a few more cold starts on the way. Please subscribe. I'll see you later, YouTubers. Bye.